Welcome back to my channel. Back out fishing again. Get an obsession for it. Fly fishing for trout. I've come back to the spot I was at in my last video because there was plenty of trout rising. Because a couple of days ago the river looks a bit clearer. Looks really clear. A bit windier today, but last time out I didn't catch anything, although I caught one but never landed it, and there was a couple of others jumping. Just couldn't catch, well, I were catching them, but they were taking the fly but spitting it out. I just couldn't get them, so I've come back to try again. It's a bit of a chilly wind. There's nothing rising that I've seen at the moment. I might have to go with the nymph. That's a chilly easterly wind as well. Someone's got the dog swimming in the bloody river down there. Please don't come up here, frightening them all. Jumped again. Yeah, it's jumped again. I'm going to change. It's jumping quite regularly, so see if I can get it on a dry fly. Am I hooked on? Oh. I think I've hooked on myself. Easterly wind blowing all the way down the valley. looks like an icy blast from North Sea, even though we're on the other side. There, come on, just take it. It's so hard work casting when it's windy like this, because you just can't flick it under that tree where it is. This is a wily old trout, this, I bet. If it's the one that I saw yesterday, going for my spinner. That is so frustrating. The water is crystal clear. They've been rising all the way under here as well. I've tried all sorts of different flies and I've had nothing. Oh, so frustrating. Anyway, please let me know in the comments what I'm doing wrong, if anything, when you've watched me. Jesus, is it just bad luck? Bloody wind. Is it just bad luck? Is it the fishing? Is it the way I fish, the way I present? I've gone for lighter tackle. Maybe that's why I'm getting broken. I'm on a 6X leader and a 6X leader, 6X tippet. Tied to a tippet ring. Oh, I don't know. How frustrating. Pisses me off. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Please give us a like and a comment.